Hey folks, thanks for dropping by. It's Paul once again, your direct mail specialist. And sometimes when you think about direct mail from home in 2023, there's going to be those who are going to think that the results that we're getting are a little bit far-fetched. But please bear with me as I jump into this video.
Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Tim Thomas live from the kitchen. And I'm telling you what, friends, great things are happening. Could not be more excited about what we've got going on.
Yes.
And I'm going to show you folks, I went to the mailbox and my jaw dropped. We had 16 payments in one single day. It just came in 16 in various programs. Now, guys, before I get into the video, make sure we...
Folks, incredible results? Not really. How fast can you get to this point like Timothy did? Rather quickly, if you mail, I'm going to give you a number to mail. Can you mail between 30 and 50, not postcards, but flyers per day? Not every day. The Bible says work 6 days and rest on the seventh. If you can mail, which is very easy, I did about 100, 120 yesterday, and it was probably, took me about a half hour. And then I went with my elderly mama, spent some time with her, to the post office right down the road, less than a mile, and we mailed them out. So let's say 150, 200 an hour. Can you spend an hour a day stuffing envelopes? Well, if you can, in less than probably 6 months, here's your results. 16 payments to your mailbox in one day. These are the results that are within your reach. Folks, the information is in the description. $450 to start with the crazy cash mailer. That's the one that's converting the best. Out of every 100 that you mail out, we're seeing 2 to 3 sales of $450. I'm going to say it again. Out of every 100 with the crazy cash mail flyer, we're seeing 2 to 3 sales of $450 each on the average. Do the math. Now, 100 of that goes to the admin so that the one that signs up under you gets their starter kit. So your net means you put in your pocket $350. Imagine if you mailed out 500. I have 1,000 coming in the mail. 1,000 flyers coming in the mail by UPS tomorrow, July 25th, no later than 7 p.m. And it's like Christmas. 18 pounds. UPS told me 18 pounds. I tracked the number. And I'll give an update. I'll show you when I get them. 18 pounds of flyers. You know what that is to me? Not 18 pounds of flyers. 18 pounds of cash. Let's get started today. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for your time. And God bless. Bye-bye. Paul signing out.